Today, a divine revelation has been prepared to touch your heart and bring a truth that you can no longer ignore. God has been closely watching every step you've taken, and the angels are whispering about something that will completely change the way you see this person who has been on your mind. The universe is about to unveil a secret that can transform your emotional and spiritual life, something surprising that had been kept hidden until the right moment. That moment has come, and now, you will be taken on a journey of discovery that will open your eyes and your heart. The presence of this person in your life is no mere coincidence. From the start, you felt that there was something special between you, but you never quite managed to define what it was. Often, the most powerful connections are those that come with a sense of mystery, something that challenges us to look beyond appearances and seek a deeper understanding. And that is precisely what God is doing now. He is revealing the purpose of this connection, and you will be amazed at what it truly means. The angels are around you now, preparing your spirit for what is to come. They know that your heart has already faced challenges, that you have questioned the feelings of this person and what is really going on behind the words and actions. Perhaps you have felt uncertainties, moments when this person's actions made no sense, as if there was an invisible barrier preventing things from flowing clearly. But the angels want you to know that this barrier is about to fall. What was once hidden will be revealed clearly and sharply. This person, whom you think about so much, also carries their own internal battles. Often, what we see on the outside does not reflect what is really happening in the heart. The angels are showing me that this person feels something deep for you, something that has been growing silently and steadily, but until now, has been kept secret. It may be hard to believe, but this love, this admiration that this person feels for you, is stronger than anything they have ever experienced before. And that is exactly what makes them so confused and hesitant. God wants you to understand that everything has its right time, and that, although you may have faced moments of doubt or even frustration, what is about to happen is the result of a deep spiritual process. The angels reveal that this person has been struggling with their own fears, with the scars of the past that make them hesitate to fully surrender. But now, something inside them is changing. A transformation is taking place, and they can no longer ignore what they feel for you. The love this person carries in their heart is real, and is about to surface in a way you would have never imagined. Before moving forward, take a deep breath and allow these words to penetrate your spirit. Write in the comments, "I receive this divine truth," to confirm that you are ready to accept this revelation. Now, following the message, the angels are showing me that this person, even though they may have tried to hide their feelings, is about to make a move that will surprise you. There is an internal battle happening, where fear tries to hold this person back, but the love they feel is starting to prevail. God is working miracles behind the scenes, and what you will soon see is a radical change in this person's behavior. Don't be surprised if they start approaching you more, showing a deeper interest in your life, or even sharing thoughts and feelings that seemed inaccessible before. God is preparing the way for this connection to strengthen. But it is important that you also keep your heart open and ready to receive this person. The angels are asking you to be patient and compassionate, because what is coming is a journey of healing and growth for both of you. This truth being revealed today is just the beginning of something much bigger, something that can bring a lasting transformation in your life and in this person's life. Throughout this journey, you will notice small signs that things are changing. Maybe they are glances, words spoken more softly, or gestures that didn't exist before. These are signs that this person's heart is opening up to you. And the angels are by your side, guiding every step of this process. They want you to trust what is happening, because everything is being carefully orchestrated for the good of both. As you progress in this journey of revelation, the angels are preparing your heart for something even deeper. The person who has been in your thoughts, even if they hesitated or kept their distance, is experiencing an emotional and spiritual awakening. For a long time, they tried to suppress or even ignore what they felt, believing it would be easier to continue their life without confronting this truth. But now, the strength of this love is so great that they can no longer hide it. And this is where the surprise happens. What is coming to the surface is not just a passing feeling or a superficial attraction. What this person feels for you is something that touches their soul, something that transcends time and space. The angels show that this person is, at this very moment, realizing the divine purpose of your presence in their life. And it is greater than they imagined. When God placed you in this person's path, it was not by chance. It was part of a plan that is only now beginning to unfold. You may have felt at various moments that this connection was special, but you may have doubted if they felt the same. The contradictory attitudes, the silences, or even the distance, may have made you question what was really going on. But know that behind all this, there was an internal process happening within them. A process of facing their own fears, insecurities, and doubts. The angels are saying that this person always knew on some level that you were different, that the bond between you went beyond the ordinary, but fear prevented them from fully surrendering. Now, the barriers are falling. This person is beginning to break free from the chains that kept her bound to the past, to traumas and experiences that shaped her fear of opening up to true love. And this is something profound and beautiful to witness. God is working an internal healing within this person, and you are part of it. Your presence in her life is like a beacon of light, guiding her to a place of safety and love. As this unfolds, you may notice subtle yet significant changes in this person's behavior. Small gestures that were once non-existent will start to appear. Perhaps an extra touch of attention, an unexpected message, or a clearer attempt to connect. These are signs that this person's heart is opening up to you. The angels want you to pay attention to these signs and, above all, to receive each of them with love and understanding. At the same time, the angels ask you to maintain a posture of patience. Although this transformation is taking place, it still needs time to solidify. This person is still in the midst of her healing journey, and forcing things now could jeopardize everything. God wants you to trust the process and let things flow in accordance with divine timing. The love that is growing within this person is strong, but still delicate, and it needs to be nurtured with care and respect. You may wonder why this revelation is happening now, and the angels respond, because both of you are ready. The waiting time was necessary for each of you to grow and prepare for what is to come. There were lessons that needed to be learned, both for you and for this person. Perhaps you have experienced moments of doubt, questioning whether you should continue waiting for this connection or move on. But know that all this time was crucial for God's plan to align perfectly. This person, who used to keep their distance, is beginning to realize that what they feel for you is unique and irreplaceable. Despite trying to pull away, despite seeking other paths, she now understands that you are connected in a way that goes beyond human comprehension. This understanding is powerful, leading her to reassess her entire life, her choices, and what truly matters. The angels indicate that soon this person may share truths with you that she has never had the courage to express before. And these truths can be transformative. What she is about to reveal is not only about her feelings, but also about her fears, insecurities, and everything that has prevented her from getting closer until now. This moment of vulnerability will be a significant milestone in your journey together, and it is crucial that you receive it with an open heart. Before you continue, take a deep breath and allow this message to touch your heart. Write in the comments, "I received this divine revelation," to confirm your openness to this transformation. Now, returning to the message, the angels are showing that the love this person feels for you is a force she can no longer ignore. And this force is propelling her into action. The fear that used to paralyze her is starting to lose its power, and the desire to be with you, to live this love fully, is growing every day. God is removing obstacles, dispelling doubts, and bringing clarity to your path. The truth being revealed today is that the love you always believed was there, indeed, has always been present, even when it didn't seem like it. And now the time is approaching when this love will manifest itself clearly, honestly, and truthfully. As you delve deeper into this divine revelation, angels are guiding you to a greater understanding of what is happening in this person's heart. The love they feel for you has deep roots, greater than either of you could have imagined at the beginning. This love transcends the present moment. It has been built over time, through experiences, life lessons, and above all, through a divine plan that was being orchestrated for both of you. The angels want you to understand that nothing happening now is by chance. Every step you took, every moment of waiting, every doubt that crossed your mind, all of it was part of a preparation. This person was in your life to teach you about love, but also to show you something about yourself, about your ability to love deeply and the power that your presence has in the lives of others. God placed you on this person's path because He knew that only you would have the patience, compassion, and strength to help this soul open up to true love. This journey, filled with ups and downs, has not been in vain. The angels show me that, although there have been moments of confusion, of distance, and even of pain, all of this has contributed to making the love between you stronger and truer. Each obstacle you faced helped shape this connection into something that cannot be easily broken. And now, at the right moment, God is bringing the truth to light, revealing what this person feels in a way you have never seen before. For a long time, this person tried to move forward without recognizing what was between you. She believed she could continue her life, putting aside her feelings, as if it were possible to ignore something so powerful. But now, she is realizing that this is impossible. The love she feels for you is not something that can be forgotten or set aside. And this revelation is devastating to her because, as love grows, so does the fear of not being able to live up to everything you deserve. The angels show that this person has been going through a period of deep introspection, trying to understand her own feelings and deal with the insecurities that kept her away. She knows that opening up to you means exposing herself, being vulnerable, something she has avoided for a long time. But now, God is giving this person the courage she needs to take this step. The truth she carries in her heart is about to be revealed, and this can completely change the course of your lives. You may be wondering, why now? Why did this person take so long to realize what was right in front of her? The angels respond that everything has its right time. Sometimes, we need to go through a process of healing and learning before we are ready to receive the love we desire so much. This person needed to face her own demons, overcome old fears, and above all, recognize that the love she feels for you is stronger than any insecurity she may have. This is the moment when the pieces finally start to fit together. The person who once seemed distant, closed off in their own world, is beginning to open up. You may notice subtle changes, a deeper gaze, a more sincere conversation, or even an apology that once seemed impossible. These are the ways true love begins to reveal itself. And the angels are by your side, guiding each step, so you can welcome this person with a heart full of compassion and patience. However, the angels also want you to know that, although this transformation is taking place, it may not be easy. There will be moments when this person may pull back, when fear may try to take control again. But do not be discouraged. The healing process is not always linear, and this journey may require patience from both sides. God is preparing you to deal with this, and the angels are ready to support you every step of the way. Before moving on, take a pause. Let your heart absorb this message. Write in the comments, "I accept this transformation with faith," to confirm that you are ready to embrace what is to come. Moving forward, the angels reveal that this person is about to make an important decision. They have been struggling with their emotions, with the desire to get closer to you and the fear of the consequences of this decision. However, the love they feel is uncontrollable, and it is becoming increasingly impossible for them to ignore. The waiting time is coming to an end, and you will see this person taking steps that, until now, seemed impossible. God is creating the right circumstances, the perfect moment for this truth to finally come to light. It will not be an easy revelation, but it will be liberating. What is to come will require courage from both you and her, because this kind of true love is rare and precious. But the angels assure that, if you keep your heart open and your faith strong, the reward will be greater than any challenge you may face. This person, who has often left you confused, is finally beginning to understand the depth of what you share. And as soon as she is ready, you will hear words you have long awaited. Words that can change everything and open the doors to a new phase in your lives. We have reached the decisive point of this spiritual journey, where the truth, which has been kept secret for so long, finally emerges clearly. The angels are now guiding you to the moment when this person, who has occupied your heart so intensely, will have the courage to express what she truly feels. God has been by this person's side, working within her, removing the layers of fear and insecurity that have prevented her from fully opening up. Now, this person is about to do something that will require all the courage and strength she has managed to gather. And this action, this truth that will be revealed, has the potential to transform not only your relationship, but also your lives. What is coming next is something that can bring the kind of clarity and depth you have been waiting for so long. And the angels are here to prepare you to receive it with an open and hopeful heart. For a long time, this person held back, not due to lack of feelings, but because the love she feels for you scared her. She questioned if she was ready to live something so deep, so true. And while she tried to hide these feelings, they only grew stronger. God knew that for this love to flourish, both needed time. Time to grow, mature, and learn important lessons about trust, vulnerability, and faith. The angels show me that this person is at a crucial moment. She has been reflecting deeply on what you share and has come to the conclusion that she can no longer run from it. What she feels is undeniable, and she is about to take the initiative to approach you in a way she never has before. It could be a simple yet powerful gesture like an unexpected confession, a heartfelt conversation, or a request to reconnect in a more intimate and meaningful way. And when this happens, you will realize that all the waiting time, all the patience, and all the doubts were worth it. The angels want you to be prepared for this moment. Although you have waited for this revelation, it may come with mixed feelings. This person may express not only love, but also the fears and internal struggles she has gone through. It is essential that you receive this with empathy, understanding that her process was as difficult as yours. You both have been guided on a path of healing, and this is an opportunity for renewal, not only for the relationship but also for the emotional life of both. What is being revealed is more than words. It is a spiritual truth that goes beyond appearances and human limitations. God has placed you on this person's path for a greater purpose, and this revelation is part of His divine plan. The angels are saying that, although you may have faced challenges and uncertainties, the love that is about to manifest is something pure, something that has been built on faith, trust, and God's will. At this point in the journey, it is important that you also ask yourself, are you ready to accept this love? God wants you to reflect on what you desire for the future. The love being offered is not simple. It comes with depth, with challenges, but also with the promise of transformation. If you are willing to accept this truth and walk alongside this person, the angels assure you that what you will build together will be stronger than any obstacle. The angels also reveal that, after this confession, this person may need time to process all that has been said and felt. Do not expect all the answers to come at once. Love, like any spiritual journey, requires patience. However, now that the truth has been exposed, nothing will be as it was before. You both are ready for a new chapter, and this chapter will be written based on honesty, commitment, and the willingness to heal each other. Before we conclude this message, take a deep breath and allow your spirit to absorb these words. Write in the comments, "I accept this divine truth in my life," to confirm that you are ready to embrace this new phase with courage and faith. Now, moving towards the conclusion, the angels want you to know that everything that is happening is part of a greater process. God has plans for both of you, and these plans involve more than just the acknowledgement of feelings. They involve spiritual growth, a union that goes far beyond what the physical world can offer. This is an opportunity to learn the true meaning of unconditional love, to accept the other with all their imperfections, knowing that both are constantly evolving. You may have faced moments of doubt, may have questioned if this person really felt the same. But now the truth is being revealed. She always felt, but did not know how to deal with the depth of that feeling. Now, with divine guidance, she is ready to take the next steps, and the angels encourage you to welcome her with openness and patience. What will come next will depend on both of you. This is the moment when you can decide to walk together, facing the challenges that will come with faith and trust in God's plan. The angels are by your side, ready to guide you in every decision, in every word, in every action. You are not alone, and neither is this person. God has prepared the way so that both can experience something rare and precious, a true love, guided by spirituality and mutual commitment. This is the truth that the angels wanted to show you today. A truth that changes everything, that brings clarity, and that opens the doors to a future full of possibilities. Now, it's up to you to decide. Are you ready to take this step of faith? Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wants the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice may be. Type, "I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me," to claim this message and the blessings it contains for you.